an envelope inside. There's money in there. What other YouTuber can get into an abandoned bank? We post the most original content, go to the craziest places. Join our squad. Subscribe right now. You can be part of us. Go on all of our crazy adventures. Before you watch this video, here is what you need to know. We can legally rob this bank. We're not actually bank robbers. We actually have full permission and full salvaging rights. So anything we find, we can legally take. We can legally be here. We're not breaking any laws. And even if we did, do you really think we'd be that stupid to post a video of us robbing a bank on YouTube? We're not that stupid, guys. But I keep getting all these little kids commenting that they're gonna call the cops. Go ahead, call the cops. Just make yourself look stupid. Don't be a little kid, guys. We're back at the abandoned bank today. This bank was actually abandoned a couple months ago. Now they left pretty much everything behind. A lot of these safety deposit boxes could actually still be loaded full of stuff. There have been people here looting this, but there's no way they could have gotten into these locked boxes. So if the owners died or they just forgot to pick up their stuff, it's probably still inside here. There could be anything inside here. Stay tuned, see what we find. Last time we came here, we busted open all these doors right here, and inside we actually found a $100 bill and some more stuff. So the deal I made last time was, whatever we find, I'm gonna split it with you guys. I'm gonna do the same deal this time. We could honestly find anything. We could find $1 million. If you want to be part of when we strike it rich, get some cash, make sure you subscribe right now. You gotta subscribe right now. If you subscribe at the end of the video, it's gonna be too late. You gotta subscribe before you know what's gonna happen. If you're a fan, I wanna reward you. Leave a big like on this video, and I promise, whatever we find, I'm gonna split it with you guys. We did just open a P.O. box. If you guys want to get something special, send us something right now. It is in the description. You can find it right there. Send it to the squad. Whoever sends us the craziest thing is going to get a special surprise. If you do send us anything though, we will shout you out. Send us something cool, something stupid, some garbage you don't want. Here's the strategy. So today we're going to be hitting all these big safes. These are more expensive, so I'm guessing rich people might have bought these and their stuff could still be inside. We're gonna hit all the big ones first. Probably gonna come back later, hit the smaller ones. We're gonna start over here on the left wall. I have a grinder right here. We're gonna grind all these hinges off and the doors should pop right off. Sparks are gonna fly. It looks like someone already looted these safes, but we do have an entire row. Goes all the way down and even on the other side of locked safes. Notice how these safes are locked? There is no way into those unless we actually break them off. A lot of people call this fake. This is 100% real. You're watching it right now. We brought a demolition dad here to bust open the safes.
Badass dad here. We're gonna bust these safes open. You ready?
Let's get it. Empty. That's a coin roll. What is that? $2 in nickels. All right, that's our first find right there.
Okay, this is a door that we took off the other side the other day. You can see this is a solid steel door. The doors from this side are like a cast. You could break them very easily with a sledgehammer, so not quite as secure as what this is.
There's an envelope inside.
Garbage.
Think there's anything in it?
No.
Let's open it up. There's money in there.
It's mine.
No, you
Yep.
said there was nothing in there.
75%.
Look at that.
How much is there?
20, 40, 60, 80 bucks.
$60 is mine, 20 is yours. Nice.
No, that's not how it works. Look at that.
75.
80 bucks. Someone forgot that in there. Free money right there. Add it to the treasure box. Let's keep looking. Hey, look at that. Another envelope. Feels like there's something inside of it.
Open it up.
Is it a diamond ring? Oh my God. Look at that. Is that real? Let me see.
Could be.
Check the inside.
I think it would be if it's in here.
9.25. That's a silver ring. I'd feel bad if I kept that though. Some lady left that in there. Busted into a good amount of the safes today and check what was inside. Most of them were empty, but we did find 3 with stuff still inside. Let's get right down to business. I know you guys want some cash, so we found $2 in nickels, $80 cash, and a ring. So I'm probably gonna hold on to that. I do want to try to find the owner. I'd feel bad if I kept that. Not gonna keep it for myself, but the cash, that's a different story. So you guys wanna win it, listen up. All you gotta do is subscribe. You gotta be subscribed. Leave a big like on this video right now. Leave a comment on this video. I'm gonna scroll through, pick some random comments out, send 20 bucks to you guys, so you could leave 100, 1,000. It just makes your chances of winning better. But there's one last rule. So if you guys didn't know, we make absolutely nothing from doing YouTube. So you guys can support us for free. I found this awesome website where all you have to do is like play games or download an app, and it gives us a little bit of free money, which will really help out. Go to the link in the description, brings you right to the site. It's super quick and easy, and you have a good chance to win some money. So Abandoned Bank was a success.